XMJ 225 à Toronto, diffusant sur la fréquence de 162,400 MHz. Ce service vous est offert par Environnement Canada. Pour tout commentaire, communiquez au 1-877-789-7733. This is Weather Radio Canada, station XMJ 225 in Toronto, broadcasting on 162.400 MHz. This service is operated by Environment Canada. Comments should be directed to 1-877-789-7733. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, August 20th, 2011. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for Lake Simcoe at 11:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, August 20th, 2011.
Environnement Canada a émis 20 degrés pour Lac Simcoe à 11h19, heure avancée de l'Est, le samedi 20 août 2011. Prévision émise par Environnement